Scrunch. Pop.
Pop? That's a little deep.
Scrunch.
Scrunch. Is that your heart?
Yeah. It's a little deep under the sea. A little bit.
Yeah. And what did you make it out of?
I made it out planets.
Planets? And what are the planets made out of?
And this is the sun. And this is a different sun. And this is a different moon sun. And it's called a heart.
Oh.
Planets.
That's very nice.
A planet.
Do you know what letter planet starts with?
What did it start with?
P.
Planets.
Yeah.
His name is Venus.
Oh, hi, Venus. And is Venus the coldest planet?
No, it's the hottest.
The hottest planet.
Venus is, guys, down next to Mercury.